Hey guys, Drew here. So just real quick, something a little different. Gonna start trying to do some like range day vlogs. So I just got done filming the 1911 Novak mount video, and in the middle of that, Matt called me and said he's on his way out. He just got off from work. Him and Ethan are on their way out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my plate carrier on real quick, and then I'm gonna try to get his reaction when he gets here. There he is. I figured you guys are being all tactical today. I could, you know, get tactical too.
Dude, I did. Like,
I was trying to throw it on before.
Like,
I was like, I gotta get it on real quick.
bro, should I put the taser on just to complete the vibe?
Might as well.
Like,
complete the tailgate talk. You know?
Yeah, dude. Train how you fight, bird.
Yeah. So what are these, mag pulls or?
Dude, what would you do if I open this up and it's just a box full of Pro Mags?
Dude, I'm like, yeah, that's my kind of business right there. $9.99, 300 blackie.
Dude, I could be like Mojo and put like a, what is he? Dude, he gets 20s and he puts like a +5 extension on it. It's just because he likes the way it fits in his kit or something. He has a reason for it. But I'm just like, bro, you're such a. Hey, you want some mags?
Oh, shit, was I supposed to bring a vest? Carrier?
They feel super weird. They feel slick
Slickies.
and they look real shiny.
Yeah,
feels
it has
different.
more like,
It's like texture.
got some like stimpling in it or something. They put stimpling on it.
Tell me that's not slick.
It's pretty.
Alright, I'll save it for the video.
Oh, hold on, let me see it. So Ethan just showed up, guys. He brought out a muzzle device, a sight, and a brace.
Okay.
All right, what can do you have on there?
I got the Micro 30 by Rugged.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
All right, well, hopefully this gun don't blow up on you.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hit my camera. Oh man, you're hitting it dead on my camera.
Oh shit, that'll be good. All right, binary. All right.
That's cool though. It fucking worked.
Yeah. Yeah, because of this rifle speed gas block I have.
All right, dude, you don't flexing on the floors.
All right, so definitely need to come down.
You need to come right.
These fancy new mags, you know, you gotta break them in.
Oh,
There we go.
so much louder.
We might need to put up a new one. I'm high, I need to come down and right quite a bit.
What were you to do?
The stupid hollow, son.
What does it say, dude?
Nothing.
Oh.
Nothing. So it's in the
Wow.
cap. It's in the cap, and I followed it for both. Nope. The wrong way. Now I know which one's which. Did that go even further?
Yeah.
Fuck!
Know which one.
I don't even know which one's which. This has to be windage.
Shot him in the middle. Went to go for a shoulder.
I don't think I did.
You hit him in the.
Oh, okay. Top turret is elevation. I hit the stand on the left, the stick.
The stick?
So
Is
that
what-
brought it down.
I saw some stuff go fly.
Yeah, so that brought it down. So top turret brings her down. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll shoot the other stick, and then I'll be on paper. Watch. All right, I'm gonna aim black circle stick, and I'll be on paper. I told you. I knew where my shot was going.
All right.
Okay, so I can bring it down a little more because I'm not having this point of reference though. I was hovering right around there.
Yeah, so you were just holding.
I'm on paper. I'm getting her there.
Dude, we're walking it in.
Ooh, there we go. I'll take it.
It took us a little bit, but we got there, dude.
20 rounds later. That was more direct. Oh yeah. That's dead center. Dead center. Smacking it. Just slapping it. Dude, that one was so dead center the plate didn't even move. Dude, man, freaking professional.
That's why you got the
Miss. Bad hand load.
oh.
Pretty center. Dead center. I think you're on. We got Ethan over here with his M1 Garand. Jam!
Oh.
Yeah! Shooter ready? Ready. Stand by. $284, 8 shots.
Oh yeah, brother. 2 world wars. One, but okay, we'll take it.
1 World War and a Korean War.
And a Vietnam War.
Those M4.
Because dude, literally, as I looked away, and then he starts firing, and then I look over and it's just a stream of cases coming at me.
Okay. Kind of everywhere.
It just freaking peppered the shit out of it.
Yeah, you see all these?
Hey, you know what? Dead is dead, brother.
We have a failure to operate properly. Holy shit! Not expecting to do it that well the second time around.
Well, you know,
The first couple are gonna feel weird.
Mouth.
did I do it?
You did it.
Yeah, dude, I'm not used to that.
Yeah, it's weird. It's a weird feeling.
So cool though.
Ooh.
Once I figured out the T's on it. It's really,
One for you, one for you.
1 9mm for everybody.
it's really high.
Tell it to get off the dope.